If you're looking to level up your workouts, chances are you've heard about creatine. But what exactly is creatine? How does it work? And most importantly, is it something you should be taking? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about creatine, from what it is, to how it works, to when to take it, and to how often you should use it. So let's get into it. What is creatine? Creatine is a naturally occurring compound found in small amounts in certain foods and is also produced by your body. It plays a major role in supplying energy to your muscles, especially during high-intensity activities like lifting weights, sprinting, and other quick, explosive movements. How does creatine work? Once you take creatine, your body converts it into a substance called phosphocreatine. This is stored in your muscles and used to generate energy during short bursts of activity. When you're lifting weights or doing a quick sprint, your muscles need quick energy, and that's where phosphocreatine steps in, giving your muscles a surge of energy to keep going strong. Muscle recovery and healing. First, it speeds up muscle recovery. When you work out, tiny tears form in your muscle fibers. As they heal, they get stronger. Creatine helps activate special muscle cells called satellite cells, which helps these micro tears heal faster, making you ready for your next workout sooner. Does creatine help everyone? But does creatine help everyone? The answer is yes, but with a few nuances. Studies have shown that creatine supplementation is most effective for people who are between 18 and 30 years old, especially if you're lifting weights or doing high-intensity workouts. If you're older or dealing with muscle-wasting conditions, the results may not be as pronounced, but it can still help with strength and recovery. When to take creatine? Now, when should you take creatine, and how often? The general recommendation is to take it every day. A loading phase isn't necessary for everyone, but if you want to quickly saturate your muscles with creatine, you can take 20 grams per day for about 5 to 7 days. After that, a daily maintenance dose of 3 to 5 grams is perfect for most people. Should you take creatine before or after your workout? If you're wondering whether creatine should be taken before or after your workout, studies suggest timing doesn't matter too much. However, taking creatine post-workout with a meal that includes carbs or protein can help increase absorption. What happens when you stop taking creatine? So, what happens if you stop taking creatine? Well, after a few weeks, your creatine levels will drop back down to normal. You may experience fatigue, muscle loss, and possibly a slight decrease in strength. But don't worry. As long as you keep exercising regularly, you can maintain your strength. Pros of taking creatine. Let's summarize the pros of taking creatine. For people who work out regularly, creatine has been shown to boost exercise performance, helping you train harder and longer. Improve your recovery times after intense exercise. Increase muscle mass and prevent muscle injuries. Minimize muscle cramps and tightness, keeping you in the gym longer. Always make sure to get professional advice to see if it's right for you. That's all you need to know about creatine. It's a powerful supplement that can boost your workout performance, help you recover faster, and support muscle growth. But, as always, make sure you're using it safely. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fitness tips and tricks.